Leaders need to be very vocal on their support of equality. And frankly, it's not just the right thing to do from a humanity point of view. It's also really smart from a business perspective. The world is moving so fast, technology is changing so rapidly that actually nobody can stay current. The beauty of that is we can focus more on hiring the right people, the people with grit, the people with drive and ambition, and we can worry less about them having the digital skills because we're going to invest in them and give them those skills. It doesn't matter what race, creed, or color you are. You have an opportunity if you have the drive, resilience, the diversity of thought. So there's a real opportunity with digital upskilling to really provide equality for all in the workforce. My name is Carol Sawdye, and I'm ready to make change.